Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve user ID controlled by request parameter with data leakage in redirect challenge. So this challenge is part of access control category. To access the challenge, click on this button. This challenge is apprentice level, so it will be easy. And description is given as this lab contains an access control vulnerability where sensitive information is leaked in the body of a redirect response. So we need to review a response related to redirect. To solve the lab, obtain API key for the user Carlos and submit it as solution. You can log in to your own account using the following credential. So we have got the credential. So let's go to challenge page and log in with this account. So click on my account to go to login page, then provide username and password. Click on login button. So in this lab, we need to find out the API key for Carlos account. And after login, we can notice username is passing in the URL. So ID equal to username. And as per the challenge description, we need to find out API key of the Carlos account. So we can directly change this URL. So change ID parameter to Carlos and click on enter button. So the moment we have provided Carlos, it redirected to login page. And this is expected also because the logged in user was winner and we tried to access account page of Carlos account. So it redirected to login page. And in the challenge description, it was mentioned we need to check the redirect response to find out leaked information. So we can go to Burp Suite and we can find out the request where we have provided Carlos's username. So this is the get request, and if we notice the response code 302 and location also showing login endpoint. However, in this redirect response, it is showing additional information. So if we scroll down, we can notice it is showing additional information, and this page we can't see in the browser. Basically, browser will automatically open the login page as per the location header. However, here in the response, we can review the content, and if you notice, username Carlos and API key related to Carlos account leaked in the response. So let's copy this API key value, go to challenge page, click on submit solution and provide the disclosed API key in the redirect response. Click on OK button and we can notice challenge solved successfully. So ideally in the redirect response, it should not show that much data because it is redirecting to login page. It can keep a customized message and directly send the user to login page instead of showing sensitive data in the response content. So challenge solved. Thank you.